Good morning, students. Till now, we have studied about the French Revolution, how the condition in France became worst, how the people took up the idea of freedom, equality, and how they abolished the monarchy, and how they started a system of democratic governments where the governments were elected by the people of the country. Though there were many problems, many things were there which were not good, but it was a system which have inspired a lot of people. Just like in India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Tipu Sultan, these were the people who were very much inspired by the ideas of freedom and equality and freedom of speech, expression given by the revolutionaries in France. In the same way, as these ideas were circulated in Europe, it opened up a possibility of creating a dramatic change in the way in which society was structured, because most of the European countries were having the hierarchical system of society. Some section of society, they were considered as nobles, and the other common men were facing a lot of problems. They were depressed by everyone. The society was broadly divided into estates and orders. In some countries these are called estates, in some countries they are called orders. And it was the aristocracy and the church which controlled economy and social power. What happens there? That all this economic power, all the political powers were there with the aristocracies, it means nobles, and the churches. They were having all the powers. Suddenly, after the revolution, it seemed possible to change this, because in France people have done that. So it creates a chance for everyone to change the system. In many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia, new ideas about individual rights and who controlled social power. As the system in France changed, people in Asia and in other countries of Europe, they also started discussing about the individual rights. They start discussing about the social power and who would going to control the social power. Just like we have discussed, in India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the significant leader who talked about French Revolution much and made a debate. In the same way, there were a lot of people in Europe also who were inspired by this system. Not everyone in Europe, however, wanted a complete transformation of society. Responses varied from those who accepted that some change was necessary but wished for a gradual shift to those who wanted to restructure society radically. There were some people who say that we need to change the society, but we do not need a complete transformation. It means we do not want to change everything. We can gradually change the things, we can slowly change the things, and the things will be good, that will be changed with the time. We should take the efforts, but that should be taken gradually. and there were some other who want to restructure the society. So some were conservatives, others were liberals or radicals. Some people were there who were called conservatives. Conservatives were the person who want to remain as the same. They remain with the system which is going on from last many years. There were the people who want to change, but they do not want to change it very fast. That were called the liberals. And there were some other people who want to change it completely and with a good speed. They were called the radicals. So we have three types of people. First, conservatives, जो ये चाहते थे कि चीज़ें एज इट इज़ रहे, जैसा है वैसा ही सिस्टम रहे. द लिबरल्स हु वांट टू चेंज बट नॉट रेडिकली, नॉट विद अ revolution, or radicals who want to change but and with the revolution with very fast. Now when we talk about the meaning of these, what are the meaning and why, how these are seen. One of the groups which looked to change society were the liberals. Liberals wanted a nation which tolerate all religion. We should remember that at the time of Europeans, states usually discriminated in favor of one religion or another. Now, if you go in detail, the liberals, they were the people who want to change the society, but who want to make a society in which every religion get a good pace, every religion is tolerated, and no discrimination is done in the society on the basis of religion, because it was very deeply in the European society. Just like Britain, who favored Church of England, Austria, Spain, they favored the Catholic Church. Liberals also opposed the uncontrolled power of dynastic rule. They opposed the power of dynastic rule. They wanted to safeguard the rights of individual against government. And they argued for a representative elected parliamentary government, subject to laws interpreted by a well-trained judiciary that was independent of ruler and officials. What they want? They want that king should not have any kind of power. They want the protection of individual rights against the government. They want a elected parliamentary government, and they want that there should be a well-trained judiciary which interpret the law. However, they were not Democrats. They did not believe in universal adult franchise, that is the right of every citizen to vote. They felt men of property mainly should have the vote. They also did not want the vote for women. They were having the demands like a democratic person, but they were not Democrats. Why they were not Democrats? Because what they believe that everyone should not get a chance to vote. Only the person who is having property should get a chance for vote, and the women should not get a chance to vote. They were the liberals. Now, the radicals. In contrast, radicals wanted a nation in which government was based on the majority of a country's population. What radicals say? That there should be a government which is based on the majority of country's population. Now these liberals, they were in support of women's suffrage. It means they want to give voting rights to women, and they oppose the privileges of great landowners and wealthy factory owners. They don't want to give any privilege to landowners and factory owners. What they want, that existence of private property, but dislike concentration of property in hands of a few. That there should be land should be there with the people, the private property should be there, but it should not concentrate in the hands of few. It means it should be distributed among everyone. Conservatives. The conservatives are opposed to radicals and liberals. They were against both the liberals and the radicals. After the French Revolution, however, even conservatives had opened their minds to need for change. Earlier in the 18th century, conservatives had been generally opposed to the ideas of change. Conservatives were the people who do not want any kind of change in the society. But with the time, they have also started thinking that yes, we should have some changes in society. By the 19th century, they accepted that some change was inevitable, but believe that the past had to be respected and change had to be brought about through a slow process. What they say, that yes, there are some changes which are very necessary, we should have these type of changes, but what we need, that we should respect the past, we should respect the older system, and the changes which we want to bring, that should be bring through a slow process. Such differing ideas about social change clashed during the social and political turmoil that followed the French Revolution. The various attempts at revolution and national transformation in the 19th century helped define both the limits and the potential of these political tendencies. Basically, there were three types of people, and they were having the clash of ideas. The conservatives who want to remain with the system, slowly and gradually up till 19th century they started thinking that yes we should change, but they want to respect the olden system also, and they want the process of change should be very slow. There were the liberals who wanted to change, but they don't want to give voting rights to everyone, and they were also not in the favor of the great changes in the society. And there were the radicals who wanted to change the society completely. They want to give voting rights to women also. They wanted to distribute land in everyone's hands so that the wealth should not be concentrated in few hands. So this was about the society in Europe, how it changes, how it was divided after French Revolution, what was the thoughts of people about the revolution. The time about which we are talking was the time of science of new. Why? Because there were a lot of social and economic changes were taking place at that time. At that time, there were industrial revolution was taking place. Railway was expanding. In many new cities were coming up, and because of the industrialization, men and women and children came to factories. Work hours were often long, and wages were poor. Unemployment was common because factory owners don't want to give jobs to everyone. They want to save more money, so they ask people to work for more longer time and save some amount from the wages by cutting up the jobs. Unemployment was common, particularly during times of low demand for industrial goods. Housing and sanitation were problems since towns were growing rapidly, because many people from countryside were coming to towns and living there, so their housing system and sanitation was very poor. Liberals and radicals searched for solution to these issues. Almost all industries were the properties of individuals. Now the people were thinking about the problems, solution to these problems. So what should be the problem? Now when we see the society, what we see, the industries were the property of individuals, and liberals and radicals themselves were often property owners and employers. Having made their wealth through trade and industries ventures, they felt that such efforts should be encouraged, that its benefit would be achieved if the workforce in the economy was healthy and citizens were educated. What they think, because they also were the property owners, they also were the employers, they also were the factory owners. So what they want, that the citizens should be educated and healthy. We should have some efforts to make healthy citizens. Why? Because healthy citizens were beneficiary for them also. Opposed to those, the privileges of old aristocracies had by birth, they firmly believed in the value of individual effort, labor and enterprises. If freedom of individual was ensured, what they say, that if the freedom of individual was ensured, if the poor could labor and those with capital could operate with restraint, they believe that the societies would develop. What they say, that if the poor could labor, अगर गरीब लोग जो है वो काम कर सकें, जिनके पास कैपिटल है, they can operate without any restraint, without any, बिना किसी रोक रुकावट के, they believe that societies would develop. तो society जो है वो develop होगी. Many working men and women who wanted changes in society rallied around liberals and radical groups and parties in the early 19th century. So many parties came up, they started rallying with these demands that everyone should get work, everyone should get proper health facility, proper education, proper sanitation facilities. Some nationalists, liberals and radicals wanted revolutions to put an end to the kind of governments established in Europe in 1815. There were some leaders who want to change the system of government which were established in Europe. So in 1815, in France, Italy, Germany and Russia, they became revolutionaries and worked to overthrow existing monarchs. At that time, in 19th century, there were the kings in all the countries. So basically we talk about the four countries that are France, Italy, Germany and Russia. The people, they became revolutionaries, and what they done, they overthrew existing monarchs. उन्होंने राजाओं को वहाँ से हटा दिया. How they done that? Nationalists talked of revolutions that would create nations where all citizens would have equal rights. What they say, that we create a nation where everyone would get equal right. After 1815, Giuseppe Mazzini, an Italian nationalist, conspired with others to achieve this in Italy. Italy में there were a person, Giuseppe Mazzini. He worked with others. he has done the conspiracies with others nationalist leaders to achieve these equal rights. Nationalists elsewhere, including India, read is right. So this was the thing what was happening in Europe. Now how the socialism come in Europe, how what was the support to the socialism, then the Russian Revolution, and the other incidents we study when we meet next time. Thank you very much.